Okay guys, so hope you liked that little montage I put together of the work I did on the master grade DOM. We did a diorama for this master grade. Tried to create like a desert type scene. Obviously we repainted the DOM to reflect a desert type. We did a ton of detail work on this thing. If you've ever built a master grade DOM, I counted not a single panel line on the entire thing except the two on the shoulder, and they are so shallow that you probably can't even put panel liner in them. So we had to scribe those out, so all the panel lines you see on this thing are added. I had a lot of fun with it. It's fun working on these old master grades that don't have a ton of detail because they really allow you to spread your wings and kind of do whatever you want. It's definitely a kit I recommend. It's big, it's imposing, a lot of cool stuff you can do with it. And even if you don't like the original color scheme like I don't, there's a lot you can do with it. And yeah, hopefully you guys go out and buy one yourself and have fun.